Welcome to our TV wall design ideas. Transform to your living space with this stunning and functional setup. A sleek wall mounted TV, a natural panel with hidden wires and floating sleeves create a clean and wooden look. Add warmth and sophistication with the wood paneled backdrop. Choose dark oak of the bold statement and light pine of cozy feel. Maximize space with the constant sleeves around your TV, perfect for books, door, and concealed and storage. A luxurious marble of stone wall instantly elevates your living room style, making your TV area the center of attention. Expose the brick and concert the finishing wall paired with wooden and metal elements give a edgy and raw aesthetics. Enhance ambience with the soft LED lighting behind the TV. Choose warm white of elegance and RGB of modern touch. A wall-mounted floating TV units keep area cluttered feel while adding the sleek contemporary appeal. Surround your TV with warm artwork, the personal photos to create a stylish and personalized entertainment wall. Blend technology with the decor by opting for mirror TV that transform into reflective surface when turned off. A deep tone features wall combined with the metallic accents mood lighting adds the luxurious cinematic effect. Which style is favorite? Let's you know in this comment, and don't forget this like and subscribe my channel for more home decoration inspiration. My video part of 2. Mount the TV on a sleek natural colored panel, white, gray or black. Add floating sleeves for minimal decor like book vases and small sculpture. Use hidden wire for the clean look. Install a wooden panel as a backdrop for a warm and elegance. Choose a natural wood, dark oak or the light pine or match your decor. Add LED strip and lighting behind the panel for a soft glow and write a custom built unit with the sleeves around the TV. Use it for books and decorative pieces and concealed storage. Choose open sleeve for the spacious look and cabinets for clutter-free space. Use a marble to stone finish and panel for luxurious touch. White marble with gold vinous or the dark granite gives high end feel. Complement with low profile console table floating shelf. Exposed brick and concert finish wall for rugged look. Use metal brackets and wooden sleeves for an industrial touch. Bulb lighting enhancing the raw aesthetics and install a wall panel with the built-in LED strips and behind the TV. Choose a warm white of cozy and look and RGB lighting for modern vibe. Works create that and with textured walls like wood and fabric or stones. And floating TV stand below the TV keeps for area uncluttered and the add the drawers for storage and few decorative elements glossy white and matte black finish.